Today we are checking out the Steel's metal garage storage cabinet with wheels, an exclusive organizer that brings heavy-duty storage and sleek design to your garage, office, or pantry. With its lockable doors and smooth rolling casters, this cabinet aims to combine robust steel construction with convenient mobility to keep your space tidy and secure. Key features and specifications. This all-steel cabinet measures 18.1 deep by 30.3 wide by 35.4 high and weighs 46.2 pounds. It features 4 adjustable shelves, each rated for up to 500 pounds, and 2 lockable doors that keep your tools or supplies safe. The unit sits on 4 heavy-duty swivel casters, locking included, that can bear up to 1,000 pounds total, and a clear first-stage housing lets you see when filters need changing. Just kidding, that's another product. Seriously though, the cabinet's polished finish, weatherproof treatment, and included key box round out a feature-packed storage solution. Price: at $126.99, this cabinet sits in the mid-range for heavy-duty storage units and often ships with free returns and standard support, making it a solid value for what you get. Pros and cons. Many users applaud the sturdy build, roomy interior, and ease of assembly, plus those locking wheels are a game-changer when you need to rearrange your workspace. On the flip side, a few reviewers noted that the top panel isn't entirely stable under heavy loads, and that some hardware was missing from their boxes. Customer review summary. With 58 ratings averaging 4.1 out of 5 stars, most buyers find this cabinet delivers on durability and functionality. The ability to adjust shelf heights and lock the wheels earns consistent praise, while minor fit and finish issues remain the chief gripe. Should you buy it or not? If you need a tough, movable storage solution that won't break the bank, and you don't mind double-checking your hardware contents, this Steel's cabinet is a smart pick. However, if you plan to pile extremely heavy items on top, you might consider reinforcing the top panel or exploring higher-end industrial units.